Hello viewer, here we will take these shapes in bulk. So let's make these shapes. The shapes in Photoshop are available in templates. You can also add it. There I will find some different shape designs with the different patterns. So let's explore the further designs here. Again, there is the other one. So let's have these designs we are using. It had hide the other one we have taken with it. So that's it.